Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
Hey Maroons, welcome back to the channel. And this morning I woke up and I felt like I wanted some fish to eat. The first thing that came to mind was to go check Auntie by Helsha, but I've been there a lot and I've already done a vlog there, so I decided to do something new. I was going to cook. I said, I can cook, so why not just cook the fish for you? Contacted my suppliers. One of them kind of temporarily closed down. The other did not respond, plus their shipping fee is expensive, so I decided, what the hell, why I might just get the fish directly from the source that they would get it. So I'm in the fishing village in Portmore. The aim is to get 1 or 2 fish to see if I can cook it for you guys, and I have another plan. I would like to see if I can get a fisherman that is willing to take me out to catch some fish sometime in the future. So glad you guys are here for the adventure. If this is the first time you're coming across one of my videos, consider subscribing. For the OG Maroons, remember to drop a like and leave a comment. So yeah, let's go and see what the fishing village has to offer. Don't know what to expect around here. Which way am I going? So guys, it's by the seaside, as you'd expect. So it's expected to be a bit windy around here. So I hope you guys are hearing me clearly, because it's going to be windy. So let's just take a look at what it's like around here. So I guess they have like these vendors set up that would like get the fish from the fishermen as they come in the morning, and I guess they would be the ones selling it. It's windy around here, guys. It's extremely windy. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but yeah, so the boats are around this side. I guess this is where they would bring in the fish, and then the vendors would come across and get the fish, take back there to sell. So yeah, this is what it's like. Oh, see that's the wharf over there. So normally I would pass on that bridge in the mornings and see the fishermen hard at work. But yeah. And then we'll go back around to that side and see if we can get some fish to buy. Maroons, there are a ton of boats around here. I'm sure I should be able to find somebody that, would be able to take me out and catch some fish sometime, preferably like with a fish pot. That's crazy. That's how crazy the wind is around here. Yeah, so it's not much more to see in this direction. Just mostly boats, I guess. So wait, what was going on, I guess? So the first objective was achieved, guys. met a captain that's going to carry me out, like I have his contact, so I'll be able to organize a fishing trip one day. So he's going to take me to a vendor around this side. And still, yeah. And garbage still are coming. So enough time come like you don't make no sense, you better do it.
Well, I know you have to think you have to much but you don't clean.
True.
Like young people come down, injection, needle and all of that. These are my spending time clean, I go speak about 40,000.
True.
Yeah. You see here, sir? Here it was a high like that. We take out and see and put it, I will make them dry. I will burn them. So sorry I get really difficult.
Yeah. And you say NWC don't come run and come collect the garbage.
So then keep a project and silver come pick up back and let the back like safe as that.
Oh, the buckle out at the front there, so. Can I see some buckle? Oh yeah, see them right here, so them come collect them and left them.
Them come clean, and we and them clean and pick up and then left them. Yes, now they don't come back with them. They got left them.
Alright. Right now, more garbage. More garbage there, so down one day, so now. You know, saying the other day one of my friend them did organize one beach cleanup and feel like I yesterday come, so probably at them. Probably at them leave the buckle them there. Cause she tell me say she come do some beach cleanup, she and some youths.
Let's see, I got the later.
Oh. Oh yeah, fresh water. And I clean the fish until. We're at the vendor, so we're just going to see. Yeah, greetings, Chief.
Right, so look at you. And people there, man.
Yeah. So how you sell it?
How you sell it? Your car already. You go back and finish.
Yeah.
So that's beautiful.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Them time.
Yeah, no say I work.
Yeah, come to kind of feel me, man.
True, real talk. Eh? Oh, I remember. 8 bill soda. What kind of fish you have? Doctor in there?
Yeah.
You have you're not a parrot.
No, I'm not a parrot.
Let me see doctor them.
Them small, you know.
Oh, them small.
Yeah.
That buy. What am I gonna do? I want. Let me see. I want one nice size one because I want to do one video with it.
Yeah.
So let me see the nice size one.
That, you want?
That is a nice size, yes.
Yeah.
But what
You
else?
want a bigger one?
Let me see what you have there.
A bigger gun?
Yeah, let me see. Is that a grunt?
Yeah, market gun. Yeah.
Oh, how much this should I go for? It's on the scale there. 2 pound that?
Yeah.
So that would have be how much that?
2,400.
Eh?
2,400.
Ah, for the 2 pound?
Yes.
And how much you said the doctor go for?
800.
8 bills, so 2 pound a doctor would have be. Where you say doctor them small?
Yeah. 1,600.
You have snapper?
Eh?
You have snapper?
Yeah.
How much you snapper then?
Same 13 feet snapper, but them small and not big.
Small too.
Yeah.
13 you say?
Yeah.
How many pound a snapper? How many pound a snapper?
Pound?
Yeah. Then come in like what, fish them come in fresh every morning.
Yeah.
Like what time my best time to come to catch them, right?
You have to ask them.
Oh.
I'm catching.
Oh, okay.
3 pound that.
3 pound that?
Yeah.
Alright. That's good, so.
What's the doctor you want?
Eh?
You better want this.
The doctor they look nice still. The doctor they can add to it.
Yeah, man.
Add that.
Arrangement too?
A wrench man?
Yes, that's Steve.
Yeah, alright. Check how much that come to.
That pound?
That pound?
Yeah, 800 for this.
Yeah, so tell me how much everything be.
1,300 for this, huh? And 1,200. Check it to me now.
Alright, so you say 1,300 for the
Snapper.
snapper them.
And 2,400 for this.
It's a 2-4.
Yeah. And 800.
8 days.
Clean them up?
Yeah man, clean them. When I catch you, I clean them too. Ah. So you normally run off the starter?
Yeah, I'm smart right now.
Oh. Now for a number, I want the number.
Eh? Number 86285.
Ah, wait, when me, before me left, I take it.
Yeah.
So next time when I come back, I can just come straight.
Yeah. You can call the order you want.
Oh, can order it out before and...
Yeah, and to clean it up.
Yeah.
Just come pick up there. Yeah, she soon come.
That's our ground.
Yeah, Margaret run.
You see that way you scale him? That's something that wouldn't make.
Yeah, yeah.
Just run some nail in it.
Yeah. Oh.
Smart.
Yeah. You know, yes?
No, not really.
You want to go and talk to Donovan and you come at them done clean up?
No man, I want to catch you something.
Oh, tomorrow you the customers. That's what I access.
Oh, you can deal with it, man. I don't mind. As I was saying around there earlier, I'm not sure if you heard because of the wind. Basically, I met a fisherman that's willing to more than carry me out. It's Captain Donovan. So, I can tell that you guys going to love Captain Donovan from now. Yeah. Are you? Eh? Yeah, man. just tell him to take out some fish, you know? Just tell him to take out some fish with me.
Oh, you take the guy?
Yeah, and it start scale them and thing.
Oh, yeah,
So,
what is?
yeah, my own name this. Alright. Wait, remind me your name? Marva. So Miss Marva come back buying from her stall. So what I was saying is Captain Donovan, you guys going to love him. He's a nice character. Trust me. I can tell that you guys going to enjoy that company. So basically I asked him about carrying me to sea. He said the seas are a bit rough now, so it's best to wait until the month end roughly thereof. But I have his contact, so I'll definitely be in contact with him. So you guys will be seeing a lot more fishing content from me, hopefully. Hopefully you guys are up for that. When Miss Marva comes back, we're going to finish scaling the fishes, package them up, pay, and then head out of here. I don't think I filmed that much. It was mostly talking and getting to know the people. So I might do the cooking this video, so I'll be definitely cooking maybe 1 or 2 of these fish in this video.
Tomorrow?
I'm like a few years and can't come back down. We talk to Donovan.
Donovan, what is it?
I get my Donovan too. That's why I'm asking you. Go see that come once.
What's the matter, man? I'll take my camera. You tell us to trim that
Auntie,
up.
Auntie. This is Miss Marva.
Yeah.
I want your number here, so next time when I come back, I can just...
Yeah, man. See, find a place or something.
Oh.
See, be a director.
Yeah, yeah. See the jelly them. I will sell the greetings. I will sell the jelly them.
LaMaNDi, sit down there, man. Come on,
General, greetings. What's your jelly then? Can I get one? Can I put one for me?
I drink right now?
Yeah.
So what's it like? Can I put it in the
Eh?
Can I put it in the
No, so I'm just doing my own thing, man. Not the fun of project. Oh, I'm take out the headphones. My respect here. I was passing on, you know, say a jelly. So I decided I forget one. I forget one of the jelly. Bad man. My drink my belly full, and this still like, it's still like there. It's still like half full of jelly water. Jelly candle. Can you chop it for me? You not? Eh? Some fish will come for buy on a pass and see jelly and say. You have to get inside jelly, you know? Alright, mad respect here. Listen, brother. Cut that maroons. What you know about nice jelly? If you guys know, you know, this is the spoon. Let's try scrape out as much as we can.
About 2 days or 3 days to get my home.
Oh, so you just get it?
Program it to the phone.
You have to test it out, man. Oh, so you can connect to your phone. People, look how much jelly left. I'm a boss. Maroon's my boss. See if we can get it one last time. I'm gonna call it the judge. One thing with Jamaica, whenever you go somewhere, yeah, I go find people where can level with and people where just Jamaicans in general. No matter where you might hear them say, oh, Jamaica this and Jamaica that. Yes, we do have our problems, but for the most part we're chill loving people. I came here with the intention of buying 2 fish and probably get 1 person contact to organize something in the future. I'm gonna end up meet like 6 people who me truly and really want to connect with again and save them number, because the vibe around here just nice, you know? Just Jamaican people being real, Jamaican people being true. As them say, out of many, 1 people. So it look like rain gonna fall, and you know I have no luck with the rain. Look at this, look at the graph that's right here to show you. Guys, subscribe to the channel please. If you're here and you like the video, you like the vibe, subscribe. I'm not sure if I'm going to be cooking in this video. Might just split it in 2. It's either I'll see you guys no, or I'll see you guys in the next video. So remember, Maroons, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be what? Consistent. Big up.
We know you never gonna believe me, but me would have find it hard to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.